Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, a surprise has opened for us after this very strong trend towards the downside with a very high amount of volume, where we were talking that of course this might be our wave 3 and it might hit the 1.618. It is definitely that this did not happen, right? And because we have broke this trend or these fibs for our double 1-2 here, where we have another 1-2, right? We have broken this like a slice of butter, and suddenly it has just moved up a very fast. And not just that, it has invalidated even this wave 3 towards the downside. By all means, if we were 1-2 and 1-2 and also 1-2 here, this was your wave 3 with the highest amount of volume, right? And in this wave 3 now, you want to see a wave 4. Your wave 4 has interfered already with your wave 1. So even without looking at the 0.618, you have already interfered with the zone 1, which has invalidated this impulse. And by all means, this has ended here. And this high amount of volume was for a wave C and not a wave 3. Because when you finish a structure with especially a zigzag with a wave C, your wave C tends to have a very high amount of volume, and your wave C has ended up here as a diagonal in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, these 1-2s has transformed, as we know always, a contracting diagonal can mimic also a multiple 1-2s. So once it has ended up here, right, then it has transformed to a diagonal again. So yeah, it's very tricky, of course, but I mean we were expecting this, guys. So we had our fibs, right? We said, okay, we are very close to 886, but yeah, I gave up a little bit on the 1-2 so early, but it was too early, even before hitting the 886. So yeah, I was thinking, okay, it's done, because by the way, we have broken those two levels like very easily, right? It was like a slice of butter. Here we go, boom. It was very strong, right? Therefore I was like, okay, is it so much weak? However, it appears that the highest amount of volume of buyers came in here, and guess what? On my indicator we get some beautiful things here. Just let me make it the strongest signal. Here we go. You got a very strong signal of buyers, right? Matching all the points where we had a push towards the upside. So this is a very good indication, guys, and especially with the time in between, which is awesome. It's looking very good. The same as for the daily, it shows some nice signals. So this a very high amount of volume means, of course, a wave C has ended, and of course the push towards the upside that you can see here is your high amount of volume of buyers, where we are looking now already at 5 waves towards the upside, where we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 potentially. And of course we want to have some retracement towards the downside and then continue towards the upside impulsively. And of course this is your entry point, guys, where you want to of course enter your big scenario for a wave 5 towards the upside with a double 1-2, right? So this should start, of course, our wave 303. Unfortunately, one thing is not really nice, is that we are very close to the weekend, right? And yeah, if we don't start an impulse today, it would be not really nice to keep this until the Monday, because the range that it will have on the weekend, in case we get a range here, that will affect, right, a little bit, yeah, the reversal. So yeah, it is preferably that we start an impulse or something like this by today, and then yeah, see some correction only on weekends. So, however, let's see how it's gonna work. So, by all means, now I'm gonna remove this, all of that, and I'm just gonna keep it as, okay, this is our 1, 2 here. I'm gonna keep here just an A, B, C, A, B, and a C. And of course, yeah, we're gonna go a little bit to the 4-hour chart just to remember where are we here. So what are we looking at is, of course, is a double structure, right? After having a wave 4 here, we have bottomed our wave 4 and we are looking for a big wave 5, impulsive wave 5 towards the upside. Of course, we have here already a 1, 2, so we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 3 now is a double 1 and 2. And in this double 1, 2, you want to see, of course, a 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for your wave 3. And after this, you want to have a bigger 4, 5 to finish your 1, 2 here, which it should finish around the 100K, possibly, of course, for Bitcoin. So that's it for Bitcoin with the daily analysis. Of course, I just want to give you fast as much as possible with the price action here that we might have reversed, and we are yeah, going well with our bullish scenarios so far. And yeah, okay, it was very strong, but yeah, we have reversed. It was expected as well. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. See you in the next one. Thank you for your likes and comment. Bye bye.